Good afternoon everyone. I am Miss Mamta Singhor. I am a faculty at Mother Teresa College of Nursing, Kumhari Durg. Today we are going to learn about contraceptive methods in males. It comes under two male reproductive systems, and this topic is given for BSc Nursing second year because male reproductive disorder comes under to medical surgical nursing first, and this subject is given for BSc Nursing second year. Okay, so let's go. We will start our session. Firstly, we will see about introduction related to contraceptive, the deliberate prevention of conception or impregnation by any of techniques, drugs or devices. So what is contraceptive, students? Contraceptive means prevention of conception. Conception means the action of conceiving a child. Okay, so this kind of action is prevention by using of any kind of techniques, as well as prevention of impregnation. Impregnation means to make pregnant, get with child. So this kind of process also prevention by the using of any kind of techniques, like the techniques are drugs and devices. So it is called contraceptive. Okay, and if we are talking single meaning about the contraceptives, it means birth control method. Okay, so it's all about the contraceptive. Now we will see next things related to contraceptives in males. Contraceptive methods in males. So there is having total 5 methods for the contraceptives in the male. First method is conventional method, second coitus interruptus method, meal pills, vasectomy and injection method. Now we will see one by one. First method is conventional method. What is conventional method? Requires at the time of coitus. So any kind of thing is required in duration of coitus. This kind of method comes under to conventional method. So like any kind of condom, and this kind of method have a chance to 3 to 6% failure sometime. And here have some point related to the condom. So made up from latex or polyurethane, prevent live sperm from the meeting the secondary site. So condom help to the prevent live sperm in this process of oocyte, and easy to use. It is very easy to use, free from side effects. It means condom is not having any kind of side effects. It means after the using of condom there is no having a side effects. Okay, and provide protection against sexually transmitted disease. So basically condom is help to protect and prevent any kind of transmitted disease in duration of the coitus period. Okay, so it's all about the conventional method, students. Now we will see next method, coitus interruptus method. So it is also one kind of method for the male contraceptives, and this kind of method have a chance 6.7% failure. And what is the coitus interruption method? Withdraw the penis from the vagina and away from a woman's external genitalia before ejaculation to prevent pregnancy. So how to prevent pregnancy by the coitus interruption? By the before ejaculation withdraw the penis. So what is ejaculation, student? Ejaculation means the release of sperm cells. Okay, so if male person feel release of sperm cells, so this condition basically that person is a withdrawal of penis from the vagina. Okay, so this kind of technique comes under to coitus interruption techniques. Now we will see some advantages and disadvantages related to coitus interruptus method. So advantages, it is very free and readily available, no side effects because it is very natural method, doesn't need fitting, doesn't need prescription also. So this kind of thing is one kind of side advantages related to coitus interruption method. Now second disadvantages related to coitus interruption method. Slightest method in the timing can cause pregnancy. Sometimes chance to any kind of mistakes is happen by duration of the coitus. That condition maybe the chances females are get pregnant. some amount of sperm might present in the pre-ejaculation liquid. Sometime maybe the chances by the releasing of sperm, live sperm, and duration of ejaculation. That condition before ejaculation withdraw the sperm, maybe the chances some in small quantity of the sperm is available in the with the liquid. Okay. Which kind of liquid? Ejaculation kind of liquid. So that condition, it is also one kind of disadvantages. Withdrawal disrupts sexual pleasure also, so it is also one kind of disadvantages for the person. And here have some precautions related to this kind of method. Properly time withdraw, it is very important kind of precaution, because if person is not proper maintaining time, that condition, that person, maybe the chances have a side effects and disadvantages basically. And take precautions before coitus again, so it is also one kind of important precaution for the using of this kind of technique. Okay, now we will see next technique and next method for male contraceptive. Male pills. Gossypols are chemical gossypols found in the seeds of cotton plants. 15 to 20 mg is used daily for 12 to 16 weeks, followed by the maintenance dose of 7.5 to 10 mg per day. And strafe the cells. Basically, after the using this kind of pill, which kind of thing is happen? Low to zero sperm count. So by the using of male this kind of pill, that person sperm count have a chance to zero or sometime maybe the chance sperm count is low. So that condition definitely person have prevent conception definitely, because sperm is not proper maintaining, sperm is not proper mortality. So this condition definitely person no having chance to proper ejaculation. Okay, so it is also one kind of technique or method for the male contraceptive. Now we will see next thing. Here have some advantages and disadvantages related to male pills. So first advantages is does not affect libido. So basically after the using male pills, there is no having any kind of effect of libido. And disadvantages also available and have a chance after the using of male pills. So first disadvantages is hypokalemia. Sometimes maybe the chances person after the using of male pills, that person feel hypokalemia, and as well as person also have a chance to incomplete reversibility. Okay, after the using of male pills. Okay students, so it's all about the male pills. Now we will see next method for male contraceptive. Fourth method is vasectomy method. It is a surgical method, okay, and it is performed by the surgeon, and sometimes chance have 0 to 0.02% failure this kind of method. And what is vasectomy and what we do by the vasectomy? So a minor surgical procedure to cut, clamp or seal the vas deferens. Okay, so what is vas deferens? Vas deferens is a one kind of male reproductive part. Okay, and it is a one kind of route for the circulating and scent of the sperm in duration of coital period. So basically by the surgeon this kind of part is cutting by the surgical opening this particular area. Okay, and to prevent sperm going into the semen. So if person is not able to sperm going into the semen, that condition definitely that person maintaining contraceptive. Okay, so it's all about the vasectomy method for the male person, and it is a one kind of surgical method, surgical procedure for male contraceptive method. Okay students, now we will see next thing related to this male contraceptive method. Okay, this is the image related to vasectomy. In the right side end of the was closed with the stitches. Basically this kind of a structure is showing, and this kind of procedure is doing by the vasectomy procedure. Here have some advantages related to vasectomy and disadvantages also. So firstly we will see advantages about vasectomy. Safe and convenient method. It is a very safe and convenient method, and cheap from long term. It is a very cheap from long term. It is a very long term method, and have to wait for few months to confirm zero sperm count in the semen. So this kind of thing is definitely one kind of advantages of person, and here also have a some disadvantages related to vasectomy. Reversible but success rate only 50% to rejoin the was difference. Sometime person chance if person is doing person is vasectomy surgery is performed by the surgeon, that condition if person is want to again release that particular surgery, so there is no having a chances, only 50% chance to rejoin the was difference after the one time after the doing of one time of surgery. Okay, so it is definitely have a one kind of disadvantages. Does not protect against STD. It is not proper protected by the STD. Okay, students, so it's all about the vasectomy procedure. Now we will see next method for the male contraceptives. Injection method. So injection method is also available in a medical field for the male contraceptive. So reversible inhibition of the sperm under the guidance, synthetic polymers, styrene, malicus anhydride, and injection into the vas deferens. Basically this kind of injection is directly given into the vas deferens, and anhydride and the hydrolyzing in the presence of water in the spermatic fluid becomes is a hydride and has a positive charge. Basically this kind of medicines given into the vas deferens, that condition, that area is a positive charge for the low count of the sperm in a particular situation of the coital period by the circulating of the sperm. Okay, this disturbs that negative charge of the sperm membranes on content and membranes of the sperm to burst and still in the clinical trial. So basically after the giving this kind of injection into the vas deferens, that condition, that vas deferens is basically one kind of route for the circulating and shunt of the sperm. So if we are giving this kind of medicine into the vas deferens, that condition, that particular circulating of sperm is the sometime have a destroy and kill in duration of the coital period basically. So there is definitely no having a chance to proper sperm is circulating into the semen by the coital period if a person is using this kind of injection that point. Okay, so it is an injection method for the male contraceptive. Now we will see next thing. Next medicine for the or injection for the male contraceptives is vas laser, injecting the non-hormonal polymers into the vas deferens. So it is a one kind of medicine for the male contraceptives, and it is a non-hormonal medicine, and it is also given directly into the vas deferens area. And polymers hydrogel that blocks sperm from the coming out of the body, and this kind of medicine is help to the block sperm from the coming out of the bodies after the giving of this kind of medicine. Okay, reversible, another injection of the different substance to flush out the polymers, and less invasive that as vasectomy is still in the clinical trial. And basically this kind of medicine is another injection of different substance of fluids or out the polymers. And in the duration of a vasectomy period, this kind of medicine also using just because of proper maintaining of the vasectomy surgery, and this kind of medicine is a help to the proper help to the block of the sperm circulating into the vas deferens after the giving of this kind of medicine. Okay students, so it is also comes under to injection method for the male contraceptives. Okay, so it's all about the male contraceptive methods. I hope you all are understand about the male contraceptives, and thank you for listening me. If you have any doubts, so please ask me.